There are 8 T20 Torx screws that you will need to remove, indicated by the red arrows, to remove the glove box. Use a trim removal tool, open the glove box and gently pry, red arrow, the dash end piece away from the dash. It is held in place by 4 clips and will just pop off. Use a T20 Torx and remove the lower outside screw, red arrow. Remove the lower right T20 Torx screw from the center of the dash, red arrow. Remove the 3 lower T20 Torx screws indicated by the red arrows. Open the glove box and remove the 3 T20 Torx screws. Red arrows indicate their location. Carefully lower, red arrow, the glove box and pull it away from the dash. The glove box will come out as a complete unit. Remove the sensor harness connection, red arrow, along with the connection for the light, yellow arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.